Now it is running. Okay. Today we are going to learn how to send sentence. So be careful and very attentive in my class today because this is very important for class for you. Today, as you are a student of class 8, we are going to learn the second part of English, and it is your changing sentence from assertive to interrogative. We can ask question in two ways. There is no yes no question using yes no question word and WS question word. You know, there are 9 WS question words, and I discussed this in your earlier class. So I will write down some sentence on the board. If you follow me, you will able to guess the answer. Look at the board. Suppose if I ask you, are you fine? Are you fine? This is question. How we can say you will get a question mark at the end of the sentence. This is a question. Are you fine? And if you answer, your answer would be, this is question. Your answer would be yes. Yes. Or if you are not fine, you will say no. So this is your yes no question. And if we ask yes no question, you will ask question by using be bar, auxiliary bar, modal, etc. So there may be assertive sentence. We know there are two types of assertive sentence, that is affirmative and negative. If I write down positive sentence, positive or affirmative sentence, the question will be the negative. Suppose he is a good boy. He is a good boy. This is affirmative sentence. Or you can say this is affirmative form of assertive sentence. This is the, if I make question, what I will write down. At first you will write down this B bar, auxiliary bar. Then you write down not. Isn't he a good boy? Isn't he a good boy? That means he is a good boy. If the statement is positive or affirmative, we will make the question negative. That means if the statement is affirmative or positive, the question will be negative. If you write down like this, he never goes to school. He never goes to school. Suppose this is your question. You can see here is a negative word. Never is a negative means negative word. What you will do? If I ask you question, make question, what you do? Just you write down, does he ever go to school? Does he ever go to school? Your question will be like this. So, if the statement is negative, question will be positive. If the statement is positive, question will be negative. So, we can make question like this. Now, I am going to give you another example. Just you follow me. Just you look at the board and try to follow me. What I am going to write down on the board. If the question is like this, the statement is like this, it does not come to school, come to school, come to school. It does not come to school. This is your statement. This is your negative statement. You can see this is your negative statement because there is not. So what you do if you make question, the question will be of course positive. You can use this word in auxiliary verb. Does he come to school? Does he come to school? The question will be like this. So what can you see? You can see if the statement is negative, the question will be positive, like this. And if the statement is positive, question will be negative. That's it. Now we are going to see another form of question. That is, we can ask question or we will make question using WH question word. WH question word. WH question word. You know, there are 9 WH question words. There are 9 WH question words. So we can make question WH question word. We can make question using WH question word. What are the WH question words? What, who, when, where, when, why, whose, whom, and how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 WH question words. These are the WH question word. You can make question using this WH question word also. But there is some characteristics. When you will make this WH question word, when you use this WH question word to make question, you must write down be verb, do verb after this WH question word. And the answer would not be yes or no. If you make question using yes no question word, that is be verb or model, then you can answer yes or no. And if the question you make question using WH question word, you can answer yes or no. Suppose where are you going? Where are you going? Suppose this is a question. This is question. You cannot answer yes or no. You cannot answer yes or no. If what you will do, you just answer. You just answer. I am going to school. I am going to school. Library or library. Any other thing like this. So when you will make question using WH question word, you cannot answer yes or no. Okay. Then what you do? Again, if I ask you question like this, what is your name? What is your name? What you will answer? Your answer will be like this. You cannot say yes or no. Just you will say, my name is, just name. Whatever it means. You will give your name. But my name is Rofik, Shofik, Jabbar, whatever like this. So If we make any question using WH question word, you cannot say yes or no. Okay? If I ask you using yes no question, are you Rafiq? Are you Rafiq? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? If you are really Rafiq, you will say yes. Yes. If you are not Rafiq, you will say no. If you are not Rafiq, you will say no. So, if we make question yes no using yes no question word, we can answer yes or no. If we use WH question word to make question, you cannot answer yes or no. What you do? You will just explain it. You have to write down something, some words. You just make complete sentence. So, making question, obviously you follow like this, two words like this, yes, no, or WH question word. Then the negative or positive, look at the board. Did, he did not, if it is like this, he did not attend, he did not attend classes yesterday. Suppose he did not attend classes yesterday. You can see this is negative sign, this is auxiliary verb. So what you will do? You will just write down. If you make question, it will be like this. DT attend classes yesterday. DT attend classes yesterday. That means he did not attend classes yesterday. So you can make question using this verb when or verb when the question statement is negative. You just make question assertive. If the question is statement is assertive, you just make question negative. Suppose they did not do the homework. They did not do the homework. This is negative, obviously. If I ask you to make question, what you will make? What you will do? If I ask you to make question using this statement, what you will write down? Obviously, you will write down did they do the homework? Did they do the homework? Obviously, a question will be like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you another pattern of word sentence so you can know how to make question like this. Suppose no one can help. No one can help him. Suppose this is a sentence. This is negative. This is obviously negative. If I ask you to make question, what you do? You can see here. There is a can. You will make question. Can no one? In case of no one, you have to write down anyone. No one. Can anyone help him? Can anyone help him? That means nobody can help him. No one can help him. So you will make question like this. If this statement is like this, nobody was there? Nobody was there. Suppose this is a statement. This is obviously negative sentence. But how will make question? In case of nobody, we can use who. Oh, nobody, everybody, who. So this is the double question word. Who are there? Who are there? That means nobody were there. Nobody was there. So nobody is there. Use as every word that is having body is singular. Here is was. But who are there? This will be a question. So when you will make question, obviously you will at first you will see whether there is any be bar, do bar. If these are there, you will just bring that words in front. If the statement is positive, you will just make it negative. And the statement is negative, you will just make it positive. That will be your right form of the question. And if you do not find any be bar, at that time, obviously you will make question using WH question or do does like this. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you don't have any question, you just go through your grammar book and page number 143. There are exercise. You will just make question and show me it tomorrow. This is your homework for tomorrow. Okay, fine. Thank you.